This training will go over the geo-targeting options that are available in BART. If a ticket comes in with any of the following targeting options, DMAs, cities, states or provinces, or postal codes, please use the geo-targeting profile that is available in BART. As a quick note, there are no upcharges associated with geo-targeting. Why would a client want to do geo-targeting? Mostly because they're looking to target specific ads to specific cities or states. So for example, if a client has a restaurant in Houston, Texas, they would not want to advertise their restaurant in Dallas, Texas, or even New Jersey because it wouldn't be relevant to those residents in those different cities and states. Now we will go into each of these in detail and show how to implement these in BART. The first example is DMA, or Designated Market Area. This is applicable for the United States only. This is always in the format of a number, a city, and then a state abbreviation. So for example, 618-Houston, Texas. The way to find this, if it is not already provided in the ticket, is to start typing in the city, such as Houston here, and find the entry that has the number in front of it. Another example is cities. So for example, if you are asked to add the city Houston, Texas, you would have to go into BART, start typing in Houston, and then pick the entry that matches exactly what was sent. So for example, Houston, Texas. However, you notice there is a Houston County, Texas. This is different and should not be picked unless Houston County is specified in the ticket. Similarly, in Canada, there's Calgary, Alberta. In this case also, please do not pick Calgary International Airport, Alberta, but only pick Calgary, Alberta, since that is what is specified in the ticket. Another example we can look at here for geo-targeting are states in the US or provinces in Canada. So for example, if they, instead of targeting Houston, Texas, want to target Texas overall, look for the entry that matches country, Texas. So in this case, United States, Texas, or Canada, Alberta should be picked. Lastly, we have postal codes. In the US, they follow the format of 5 digits, and in Canada, it's usually an alphabet, a digit, and then another alphabet. Here, you have to type in exactly as is specified in the ticket, and it should show up in BART with postal code : for example, 08820. In cases where a postal code cannot be targeted, it will not show up in BART, and you need to go back to the ticket submitter and let them know. One thing to note about postal codes is they can only be included but not excluded, like the other options we just went over, like states, DMA, cities. All of those options can be excluded, but postal codes cannot. Here are some additional resources for postal codes. Both of these tools are specified by country and will help in the bulk upload process for postal codes in BART. And that concludes the geo-targeting training